They let your dog...
They don't have any dogs.
They don't have dogs on the moon.
No, they don't.
You gotta let them run around on the moon.
They don't. But then you just go flying all over the place. Can you hit with me? Is this on?
It fell off. This is why it's rubbish.
There's no gravity.
Ha!
There's no gravity on the moon, so you just go flying all over the place. Can I have it?
Mm-hmm.
And you need a space seat to stay on the ground.
Eva! Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Maybe should I not have that part? I want
It's so high, like a in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I know what you are. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Then I won't go to China.
No.
Okay.
No.
Because then the China people will eat it.
Who told you this?
Mum said that people in China eat cats.
So why won't you go to China?
Why won't you go to China?
Because people eat cats because the Chinese people eat cats.
Really?
And Christians
What else do they eat?
eat people.
Do they? People in China eat people? Is it true? Is it true, Blake?
No.
Oh.
Mum told they do eat cats. And people in France eat snails.
Oh, okay.
Do you like snails?
Yes, they're very yummy.
Do you? Then eat one. Then eat one.
Oh, cook me one. Cook one for me.
Then go in and try find one and then eat it.